Hello, my name is Tony, and today we'll be doing Chapter 4 YouTube video in Exercise 5. So you can see Exercise 5 says to draw two spirals in this picture differ only by turn angle. Here we have like a 90-degree, and it seems like right here it's slowly, the angle is decreasing or increasing. Yeah, and so start off with the first one right here. I made a definition spiral of t comma size, so turtle t draws a spiral, and then I used a for loop range of n of 100 because counting off I got 25 going this way, and there's four ways of lines, so times 4, so like 100 lines. And for what I did here, since it's kind of similar to a square but not really, you see that the lines kind of gets bigger every time it turns, so more even like kind of like doubling kind of. So I decided to have my lines go forward with size for whichever I choose size to be, except it would go in the range of 1 through 100 because it seems like there's like 100 lines total. 100 and times 2, so every time it goes it multiplies by 2 from 1 to 100, and since it's going kind of like a square, it'll rotate to the right at 90 degrees. It looks like it's going around right. If I just comment this out right here, Alt 3, 4, you can see, just turn the speed out so you can see how it's made. F5, yep, gets bigger every time, rotates 90 degrees, doubles every time. In comparison, yep, looks pretty similar. Yeah, that's how you do the first one. Still going 100 times till it gets to here. Alright. While that's working, start on the next one, which is the spiral. The more spirals. Like turn spiral. So you see the angle kind of gets bigger every time just by just a little bit. And so we would use turtle T to draw a spiral with a smaller angle. Well, it's bigger, but in my direction. Actually, yeah, it's smaller because it's kind of like caving into itself. The angle pushing forward outward is getting a little bit bigger, but it is smaller in a sense of going to the opposite direction of going outwards, so instead of inwards. So I used the for loop for in a range of 100 again, didn't change anything. The size is still the same, so I can do that little spiral formation. So all we did was change the rotation of the angle. Instead of 90, we'll subtract it, and to the power of 0.005, because I tested it out earlier. 0.05 didn't look quite similar, but this one looks way much more similar. So it could change just by a little bit every time it turns. Now we see this, run it. Ooh, oh wait, my bad. Okay, so I don't think we commented out the other one. We comment out this one. Alt 3. And then we run it again. So, and right here. Yep. See, the angle is getting a little bit outward for every time. And it begins to kind of like intersect, not that much, but intersect the angle as it gets bigger. Looking similar to this one. And yeah, that's how you do homework 3, chapter 4, exercise 5. Again, my name is Tony, and thank you for watching.